welcome back to the Sports Republic. IPL Phase 2 का पहला मैच चेन्नई वर्सेस मुंबई इंडियंस. Let's welcome our panelists Shashank Chaudhary and Vignesh Rajgopal. Hi guys, good to see you. और IPL is back. IPL is back. We are all happy. लेकिन यार इतना ज्यादा तगड़ा वाला मैच तो था नहीं. लेकिन it's El Clasico बोलते हैं यार इसको. Anyway, let's not go to that. So चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स ने पहली बैटिंग की, 156 रन बनाए. वेल वैसे लग नहीं रहा था इनिशियली बनाएंगे, लेकिन थैंक्स टू सुपर ऋतुराज गायकवाड 156 फॉर 6 चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स. और इजी पीजी लगने वाला था मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए, लेकिन 136 पर 8 विकेट खत्म कर दिया और 8-20 रन से चेन्नई सुपर किंग्स ये मैच जीत गए. वेल अच्छा पिच था, लेकिन फिर भी मुंबई इंडियंस यहाँ पर मैच जीत नहीं पाई. टॉस में एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज था कि काइलन पोलार्ड आए और रोहित शर्मा नहीं आए. व्हाट आर योर फर्स्ट थॉट्स? शशांक, हम मैच भी देख रहे थे साथ में, क्या लगता है, क्या लग रहा था ये मैच में?
मैच में पहले लग रहा था कि द रन्स आर not too much and Mumbai Indians are going to chase that very easily. But दोनों की बैटिंग को देख के ये समझ में आया आज कि it's the first game of the season and there were too many loose shots of which too many batsmen got out from both sides, especially the top order batsmen and the lower order batsmen had to do a resurrecting job. So yeah, I think first game Mumbai Indians are not always their best at the first game. That made it actually exciting कि Mumbai is not always the best at the first game and Chennai always lose to Mumbai. So इसलिए मुझे लगा आज क्या होने वाला है. So you're very unsure of it. Yeah, but it was it's a ठंडा opener to the IPL.
ठंडा opener. फर्स्ट मैच के बारे में बात किया है. 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 का फर्स्ट फेज, 21 का सेकंड फेज भी मुंबई ने कोई भी अभी तक फर्स्ट मैच नहीं जीता है. विघ्नेश.
Yes, first thoughts तो 24 for 4 होने के बाद ऐसा लग रहा था कि will this be CSK of UAE या फिर they will be CSK of 2021 first phase जहाँ पे bad deep attack always, and it was nice to see they played sensibly, as Dhoni also said in the presentation. It was very sensible for a young Ruturaj and ably supported by Jadeja even though he was striking at less than 100. And at 140 के ऊपर ऐसे लग रहा था कि they are in with a chase, knowing कि हार्दिक और रोहित नहीं है. I sort of felt कि this is into that Dhoni territory of choking down chases, and once Pollard departed, so that was CSK's game to take.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, exactly यार. मतलब let's start with the first inning और mighty impressive यार with Ruturaj Gaikwad, the way he played today. Brilliant, मतलब brilliant is the word. जो उसने बोल्ट को भी एक स्वीप मारा, पहले चौका, फिर उसके बाद पोलार्ड को एक एक्स्ट्रा कवर के ऊपर से मारा एंड देन दैट स्वीप शॉट फॉर 6. अमेजिंगली प्लेड. शशांक, ऋतुराज गायकवाड.
Yeah bro, abhi it's hard to ignore Ruturaj Gaikwad now. It's hard to ignore him. क्या मतलब? It's almost impossible to ignore him now. And this is not this youngster coming in, performing, have a loose patch. It's becoming consistent now that he is becoming the the leader in their batting basically. I mean with the powers of Ambati Rayudu, Suresh Raina, even Dhoni, Bravo played brilliant right now. But of course with all these senior members not really at the top of the game, this guy looks to be the leader in their batting. He bats like a leader, and the most importantly he's not smashing it. And best thing is he's playing to the field. He has the field in mind. He knows where the gaps are. He's sometimes his sweeps were not he was sweeping fast bowlers, and his sweeps are not like predetermined. He judged the length of the ball for a fast bowler and sweep. I mean that's crazy. I mean that's brilliant batting. He has so much time on his hands, and I mean the list of problems for the next Indian captain will be huge because there are so many openers now, and who to choose from is very difficult. So Rituraj, welcome to the gang.
Vignesh यार 156 में 88 was his, और mainly जैसे शशांक ने बोला कि senior guys, और there was no panic at all in Ruturaj's mind. मतलब जैसे खेल रहा था और initially भी और end तक भी, जैसे हमने सुरेश रैना को देखा वहाँ पे, he was not finding the ball and everything, but Ruturaj Gaikwad was there for all the time. क्या बोलता है?
And Ruturaj का एक special knock ये दिखा कि whenever players they tend to take themselves very seriously. अगर openers जो हैं they
Yeah.
see that they are losing partners at the other end, तो शायद मतलब they consume a lot of dot balls without realizing that. But Ruturaj Gaikwad was so game aware कि जब Kunal Pandya came in, he started hitting him, and that sort of opened up the floodgates. I think क्योंकि there was no turn, and Kunal Pandya is anyway not a big turner. तो मुझे यहाँ पे glimpses एक potential captain की भी लगी, not just for CSK but Gaikwad is someone उसने एकदम surgical precision दिखाई in planning, and that is what CSK has been so good over the years. They had Raina and Dhoni do it, collapses होते थे, but they used to take their time and they used to hit the iron when it is quite hot. And Gaikwad is in a very sense कि he is not a very CSK kind of a player. He's not a star established who is walking into the team, but CSK have made a star out of him. And that is to the management's credit as well. And the young boy, he was just fabulous.
Absolutely. मतलब ना पूरे इनिंग में वो मेरे लिए ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट चीज ऐसा लगा कि वो पूरे इनिंग में बाउंड्रीज ढूंढते रहा. He just kept finding boundaries, You talked about Krunal Pandya और जो बीच में captaincy lapse लग रहा था. I just want to come at that only, क्योंकि ऐसा लग रहा था कि जसप्रीत बुमराह को पहले 10 ओवर में सिर्फ 1 ओवर करवाया, एंड देन वो जो प्रेशर बनाया था बोल्ट ने और मिलने ने, उसको कहीं ना कहीं पूरी तरीके से छोड़ दिया. आई थिंक वहां पर शायद वो एक गेम चेंजिंग मोमेंट था मुंबई इंडियंस के लिए कैप्टनसी में. क्या बोलता है विघ्नेश? कैन यू टेल अस अबाउट?
मुझे मतलब पोलार्ड के कैप्टनसी में हमेशा देयर इज अ फैक्टर ऑफ एरोगेंस. मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि मतलब ही थिंक्स ही इज टू कूल फॉर क्रिकेट, ही थिंक्स ही इज टू स्मार्ट फॉर क्रिकेट, एंड दैट इज समथिंग मतलब यू रेस्पेक्ट द गेम, मतलब you respect what has brought you there, right? You have reduced the opponents 24 for 4, pacers have done the trick, then you go for the kill. And I guess in a sense he underestimated CSK's जो मे में हुआ था कि 220 ही हम लोग चेस कर लेंगे तो क्या ही हम लोग कर पाएंगे, sort of a thing. And bowling मतलब two toothless, not say toothless but on a toothless wicket for spinners, tandem में bowling कराना it didn't make sense for me, and having just bowled Bumrah for 1 over जबकि lesser skilled T20 bowlers had done the damage. तो मुझे ऐसे लगा कि Pollard's captaincy came back to bite them, and they did it. So Pollard won it single-handedly. Pollard lost it single-handedly to CSK in 2 back-to-back games.
Yeah,
I think little Vignesh is being a little hard, and his all his feelings for Pollard are coming in today. I think, but very honestly, there was some moments of lapses, but I also thought that in the middle of the innings when Jadeja was with Ruturaj Gaikwad, their only aim was there to not lose any wickets and just sort of settle the innings and go up till the 10th 12th over, take the team, because I mean it was a collapse. Basically it was a collapse, and they wanted to sort of not let anybody in, like they did not want to let Mumbai Indians in anymore. So उस समय अगर बुमराह को यूज करते तो that might also be like Bumrah is getting wasted there because they'll defend Bumrah out. I mean, then in the eventual overs you want to save Bumrah for the last overs as well. I honestly thought the second last over should have been given to Bumrah. It was a tough call actually, because it's not, while chasing you give the best over to the second last over to the best bowler. Generally that's what happens, but here it was a little dicey. But I really thought because they still had the momentum, and the momentum changed after the second last over, so they shouldn't have let the momentum swing. And yeah, kudos to Ruturaj Gaikwad. There's a moment in every bowler's life where that you can see the silver lining and you can see that their career is ending. I think probably I don't want to call it very soon, but yeah, Bolt experienced that, that Dale Steyn experienced some years ago as well, couple of years ago as well.
Yeah, मतलब अभी तो
I honestly but the overall gist was that I actually thought 156 was a chaseable score if they batted sensibly.
क्योंकि अगर देखा जाए तो ऋतुराज गायकवाड़ और बाकी कोई और खेला नहीं है, and the only other good thing happened in CSK's batting lineup was Dhoni came in the 4th over, and that too शार्दुल ठाकुर के ऊपर बैटिंग करने के लिए आया. इससे ज्यादा और क्या चाहिए?
धोनी ने 4th ओवर कब देखा है यार लास्ट?
कब देखा है वही तो. Also backed with the again, I mean if it's CSK and we have to talk about MSD's कैप्टनसी, और आज भी वही मेरे को लगा वापस.
Yes.
ब्रिलियंट, ब्रिलियंट. वो हेजलवुड को जब वापस लाया आउट ऑफ नोवेयर एंड जस्ट गॉट पोलार्ड आउट. और पोलार्ड आई थिंक पोलार्ड भी वही, पोलार्ड ऐसा चल रहा था कि हाँ चलो ठीक है, रन रेट का मेरे को क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है, अपन एक दो ओवर में खींच लेंगे. सौरभ तिवारी दूसरे एंड से लगा हुआ था, बिकॉज यू हैव टू हैव समवन लाइक सौरभ तिवारी, स्पेशली मुंबई के टीम से. MSD की कैप्टनसी यार, मतलब अभी उम्र ढलते जा रही है, करियर खत्म होते जा रहा है, लेकिन समझ में नहीं आ रहा है कि ये कभी जाएगा नहीं जाएगा, खत्म नहीं होगा.
Yeah, I mean, he's just purely as a captain in the team. How often does that happen? I mean, he's just as a captain. I mean, of course, he's a great keeper, of course. I mean, that skill is always there. But he's just purely, just enjoys the game right now, just plays with everybody, plays with everybody's mind. पहले वो DRS लिया तो commentator वैसे ही बोल दिया कि अरे DRS ले लिया.
हाँ, DRS आ रहा है.
और नहीं DRS ले लिया मतलब out है. उसने बोल दिया कि this is out. You know, as soon as he took the DRS. Yeah, he's just like that, man. He's just a class apart. Again, the Dhoni chokehold, I would call him. You know, when someone's chasing, and like during the toss as well, right? There are so many times when we say that, you know, people choose the toss and this is wrong, this is right. Dhoni, bro, like everybody was saying this is a, you know, chasing pitch. Everybody
Chasing pitch.
was saying, yeah, they should chase. Yeah, but Dhoni went out, did what he wanted to do, used all his experience. Yeah, came out winners.
Came out winners once again. What's the और क्या लगा विघ्नेश, जो सेकंड इनिंग में स्पेशली, क्योंकि वैसा देखा जाए तो सब लोगों ने मिल बांट कर विकेट्स लिए, ठीक है. रन्स सब लोगों ने मिलके तो किए नहीं. सौरभ तिवारी ने 40 बॉल में 50 रन किया, ठीक है. उसके अलावा और तो कुछ नहीं. आई थिंक it's somewhere mostly about MS Dhoni again.
Yeah, and bad batting by my sorry Vignesh.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, I was just saying, and bad batting, just not only about MS also, just bad batting by MI as well. Yeah,
sure. Yeah. So धोनी in a way, धोनी ने अभी ऐसा किया है, अगर धोनी फैंस देखेंगे तो उसने टेनिस को क्रिकेट में लाया है, in the sense कि he is the only playing non-playing captain. मतलब भाई खेलेंगे, भाई कीपिंग करेंगे, कैप्टनसी करेंगे, बैटिंग हो या ना हो, depends on days. But captaincy 100 on 100 for sure. Top call, you know, reading the game, proactive. Even the Ishan Kishan dismissal, having 2 extra covers in a T20 format. And when I was the one who was saying that the person might have got rusty decision making, but you see the innovativeness even in the 14th edition of IPL, having captain sides, giving the young gun example ki yaar, matlab, how to do things. And I felt that today was Surya Kumar's day to, you know, sort of say that it is beyond, matlab, MI can look beyond Rohit.
It was Surya Kumar's day to do this again. But you know, filling Rohit's shoes and Hardik Pandya's shoes, Anmol Preet and Saurabh Tiwari, to all their credit, we understand why they've been benched for so long. You sort of understand. Yeah, you talked about innovativeness. यार, इस मैच में भी पोलार्ड के लिए एक सामने खड़ा करके रखा था साइड स्क्रीन के सामने. I mean, what's wrong with you?
That is part of folklore.
Oh, that is folklore, and that is also playing with his mind. No, he's like, oh, there you go.
मैंने किया था इसके पहले भी.
Yeah, he's thinking, what is Dhoni thinking now? Is all his mind is now up to. I mean, that Dhoni is a genius like that.
Yeah, I mean, हम बात करना है like उसको क्या बोलते हैं, सूरज को दिया दिखाने के जैसा है.
बस
सूरज को दिया दिखा. हम धोनी के बारे में बात करेंगे, ये सूरज को दिया दिखा. Anyway, so it's time for TSR special. यहाँ पर एक मैन ऑफ द मैच तो वो लोग देते हैं. उसके अलावा व्हाट डू यू गाइस थिंक कि दूसरा मैन ऑफ द मैच या फिर दूसरा कोई ऐसा बंदा जिसने इस मैच में और ज्यादा हेल्प किया है बेसिकली. So obviously first man of the match is Ruturaj Gaikwad. So let's talk about the second man of the match. What do you guys think, Shashank, कि ऋतुराज के अलावा कौन सा वो प्लेयर था जिसने ये मैच, जो इस मैच में मैन ऑफ द मैच बनने के लायक है?
Bravo. Just because that. Yeah. Bravo. I mean, basically he was very underutilized in the first part of the IPL. First phase. Yeah, he was very underutilized, and I was wondering why. I mean, why, you know. Even Tahir was underutilized, but you could understand Tahir's age and, you know, he couldn't play every day. But Bravo is like a consistent performer, just plays T20s around the world. And why can't you? I mean, he balls Yorkers at the death, can hit sixes at the death as well while batting. So Bravo was the obvious choice. I don't know, Dhoni would be so happy. You remember the last catch that Dhoni missed?
Oh yeah. But Bravo was right underneath it. I mean, Mahi bhai rahe piche.
Yeah, so
Vicky?
I don't know if
Yeah.
Mahi will give it to him, but I'll give it to him.
Oh yeah, definitely. Vicky, second man of the match.
Bravo coming and hitting those extra cover ke upar sixes was, you know, part of our growing up times. The nostalgia
Yeah.
was back in, and I honestly
Inside
didn't
out.
trust Bravo to do this.
Yeah.
I didn't trust Bravo to do this. मुझे लगा कि शायद ठाकुर को भेजना चाहिए था. Another one of those Dhoni pulling out of the rabbit kind of a thing, and very impressed with. But
Yeah.
मुझे the heartening factor was Deepak Chahar getting back into wickets in the power play. I don't remember a game कि दीपक चाहर ने पावर प्ले में विकेट लिए हो और चेन्नई ने नहीं जीता हो. So that man has such a huge impact on the team. Since Shashank already mentioned Bravo, मेरे लिए other notable performance was Chahar in the power play.
Great. I mean, again, मतलब I'm sort of inclined to Bravo. तो TSR के man of the match है DJ Bravo. So yeah guys, that was that. अपना ये पहला मैच था और आगे भी ऐसे पॉडकास्ट आते रहेंगे ऑफ कोर्स हर मैच के बाद. कल का मैच थे आरसीबी वर्सेस केकेआर. क्विक प्रेडिक्शंस गाइस, क्विक प्रेडिक्शन. और अगर आप लोगों ने तो बेस्ट ऑब्वियसली आप लोगों ने सुना होगा, विराट कोहली ने बता दिया है कि ये आईपीएल उनका आखिरी आईपीएल होगा एज अ कैप्टन. तो आरसीबी के लिए भी और उनके दिमाग खुलना शुरू हो गया होगा कि आगे का फ्यूचर इनका कैसा रहे, क्या रहे. उसके बारे में हम अलग से आएंगे, जरूर बात करेंगे, बिकॉज विराट कोहली वाला टॉपिक इतना छोटे से इसमें हो नहीं सकता. तो विराट कोहली इज द अदर थिंग. बट टेल मी योर प्रेडिक्शंस फॉर टुमारोज गेम, केकेआर वर्सेस आरसीबी. इट इज don't bother me asking because you know me, you know my answers. So yeah,
I guess I know Vignesh's answer also.
Oh yeah, right.
So
मैंने points कम दिए.
हाँ तूने points कम दिए, but your of course your prediction they playing KKR for goddamn sake, no? So I'll okay just to be a very, you know, party pooper and
कल के कॉन्वर्सेशन के लिए, बातें बनाने के लिए भी, और
you know, yeah, I mean सबको लग रहा है कि
energy यार, look at his energy backing KKR. Come on Shashank, थोड़ा और energy.
Yeah, I mean, of course, that is so difficult to produce, no? I mean, Morgan captain, Dinesh Karthik captain, I don't know where Trivedi is batting. Nobody knows what's happening. I mean, yeah. So, yeah, I'll back KKR.
Thank you so much. We got something to talk tomorrow. Yeah. For sure. Vignesh?
Anticlimactic banna mere ko. Yeah.
If cricketing logic prevails, then RCB surely are, with the additions and the kind of form they were in the first half. They are expected to cruise in the sense कि मतलब एक बड़ा win होना चाहिए. But IPL being IPL and strange things have happened in cricket, so you never know. But cricketing logic के हिसाब से RCB for sure.
Sure.
Great. Yeah. Sure. तो अभी ये जानने के लिए अपन कल वापस मिलेंगे जरूर. और तब तक के लिए if you have liked the video, please hit the like button guys. सब्सक्राइब कीजिए द स्पोर्ट्स रिपब्लिक को और hit the bell icon, and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you Shashank, thank you Vignesh. See you soon tomorrow.
See you guys. Thank you.
Bye.